Salmonella outbreak hits Texas. The CDC, public health and regulatory officials in several states, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, are investigating a multi-state outbreak of Salmonella cayambu infections. As of July 21, 2017, 47 people infected with the outbreak strain of Salmonella cayambu have been reported from 12 states. A list of the states and the number of cases in each can be found on the case count map page. WGS showed that isolates from people infected with Salmonella cayambu are closely related genetically. This close genetic relationship means that people in this outbreak are more likely to share a common source of infection. Illnesses started on dates ranging from May 17, 2017 to June 28, 2017. Ill people range in age from less than 1 year to 95, with a median age of 27. Among ill people, 67% are female. Among 31 people with available information, 58% are of Hispanic ethnicity. Among 33 people with available information, 36% report being hospitalized. One death was reported from New York City. Epidemiologic and laboratory evidence collected to date indicate that yellow maradol papayas are a likely source of this multi-state outbreak. This investigation is ongoing. An illness cluster in Maryland was identified. An illness cluster is defined as 2 or more people who do not live in the same household who report eating at the same restaurant location, attending a common event, or shopping at the same location of a grocery store in the week before becoming ill. In Maryland, several ill people reported eating papayas purchased from the same location of a grocery store. Salmonella cayambu and Salmonella thompson were isolated from samples collected from ill people. Investigating illness clusters provides critical clues about the source of an outbreak. If several unrelated ill people ate or shopped at the same location of a restaurant or store within several days of each other, it suggests that the contaminated food item was served or sold there. The Maryland Department of Health collected papayas from the grocery store associated with the illness cluster to test for Salmonella. One sample yielded the outbreak strain of Salmonella cayambu and another sample yielded Salmonella thompson. Both samples were from yellow maradol papayas. WGS showed that the Salmonella cayambu papaya isolate is closely related genetically to the Salmonella cayambu isolates from ill people. This result provides more evidence that people in this outbreak got sick from eating contaminated yellow maradol papayas. CDC is working to collect additional information to determine whether the recent Salmonella thompson illness in Maryland is part of this multi-state outbreak. Based on the available evidence, CDC recommends that consumers not eat, restaurants not serve, and retailers not sell yellow maradol papayas until we learn more. Marla Clark, the food safety law firm, is the nation's leading law firm representing victims of Salmonella outbreaks. The Salmonella lawyers of Marla Clark have represented thousands of victims of Salmonella and other foodborne illness outbreaks and have recovered over $600 million for clients. Marla Clark is the only law firm in the nation with a practice focused exclusively on foodborne illness litigation. Our Salmonella lawyers have litigated Salmonella cases stemming from outbreaks traced to a variety of foods, such as cantaloupe, tomatoes, ground turkey, salami, sprouts, cereal, peanut butter, and food served in restaurants. The law firm has brought Salmonella lawsuits against such companies as Cargill, Conagra, Peanut Corporation of America, Sheetz, Taco Bell, Subway and Walmart. If you or a family member became ill with a Salmonella infection, including reactive arthritis or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, after consuming food and you're interested in pursuing a legal claim, contact the Marla Clark Salmonella attorneys for a free case evaluation. Papayas have caused outbreaks before. In 2011, Agramod Produce recalled papayas purchased prior to July 23 after an outbreak of Salmonella agona had been linked to the papayas. The outbreak-related illnesses began after January 16 and continued to occur over several months. On August 25, the Food and Drug Administration banned imports of papayas grown in Mexico because of widespread and ongoing Salmonella contamination. More than 15% of fresh papayas entering the U.S. from Mexico were contaminated with Salmonella. 106 were sickened and 10 hospitalized.
Thank you for every like, share and comment, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to our channel.